Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mgenesis token. Now the Mgenesis token just finished their pre-sale recently on pinksale.finance. They did very well. Ticker symbol is Mgenesis, all one word. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Mgenesis. So they have a full audit. So they were audited by Ace Audits, and you can view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They also have a full KYC, which means their team was doxed to PinkSale to verify who they are for security reasons. And they also have a Seifu badge on here as well, so you can view the PDF of that on PinkSale as well. So they had a pretty big pre-sale. They set the soft cap kind of low at 50 BNB, but they ended up having 514 different contributors invest in this pre-sale. And they almost sold 400 BNB worth of tokens. They sold 399.83 BNB worth of Mgenesis tokens. So for socials, they have a Reddit. They got a Discord on here, Instagram. There's a GitHub, Telegram, Twitter, YouTube, official webpage here at, what is their webpage here? Their webpage is metagenesistoken.com. And you can find their Twitter also at Mgenesis Coin. They just joined in January 2023. That's how brand new this project is. 33 tweets. 401 followers so far on their Twitter. And yeah, now that this pre-sale is over, if you're looking to get this token, all you have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and trade your BSC for the Mgenesis token using the contract address that you can find on their webpage, metagenesistoken.com. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics. And liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 1 full year, according to PinkSale here. So yeah, Mgenesis is the ticker symbol, 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 100 million tokens, 30 million for pre-sale, 17.64 million for liquidity. Soft cap is 50. Oh, so we went over that already. So token metrics allocation pie chart is on here, and it says 30% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 17.64% go to liquidity, 10% go to central exchange reserves, 10% go to staking reserve, 10% go to community rewards reserve, 10% development, 11.76% of the tokens get burnt, and only 0.6% of the tokens are unlocked. Now there's also a free and quick light audit by Analytics Audit on PinkSale in the discussion section, and there's no bad warnings or anything like that on the quick audit. It's just all good check marks. It says, no mint function found. Owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot change fees. Owner cannot set max transaction. Owner cannot change trading status. And owner cannot set a blacklist. So all sorts of good stuff there. Now, their pinned tweet just says that they have a request here for CoinMarketCap. So that has already been submitted, and that got submitted 2 days ago, February 1st. You can check that out on their page. And just 5 hours ago, they tweeted, exciting news. Our token staking dApp is now live and ready for action. Stake your tokens and earn rewards with a fixed annual percentage rate. And you can check that out at staking.metagenesistoken.com. So bringing you connections and experiences out of this world. Now, On Pink Sale, it says, join the most trending fair launch. We have a proven track record of delivering outrageous returns in the blockchain business. This is our next venture, a grand metaverse company. Don't miss the chance to make insane gains. Mgenesis is a metaverse-specific blockchain architecture. The Mgenesis investors can access metaverse, dApp builder, governance, NFTs. All investors will have profits at launch, experienced team, AMAs with Binance, CoinMarketCap, and CoinGecko, fast track, aggressive marketing strategy, and 0% buy and sell tax. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from PancakeSwap, you most likely will not have to change slippage. So it says, let's explore and create your experience with Metaverse. So Mgenesis is a blockchain infrastructure and robust dApps platform custom built for the metaverse. Our vision is to provide the fully immersive decentralized metaverse infrastructures for billions of users to connect and create a fully decentralized ecosystem beyond any boundaries. The entirely user-generated platform that offers fascinating virtual experiences owned and built by users is the future that Mgenesis is leading to. So the Mgenesis infrastructure for billions of users. With Mgenesis, we intend to bring more value to our community where you can enjoy world-class experience while having a good social experience with your friends from around the world. Blockchain technology facilitates us to build such a platform where the main component of any ecosystem provide community with more value. At Mgenesis, we aim to create a long-lasting and sustainable ecosystem with multiple infrastructures where communities can enjoy interactive features and earn passive rewards simultaneously. So it says you can join the chat, which will take you over to Telegram, or you could read a full white paper as well on their page. The Mgenesis Metaverse app will be a device-ready metaverse platform consisting of avatars, lands, worlds, various NFTs, and unlimited games. So they have the builder, where you could build, avatars, the world, stuff within the game. They have the NFTs. They show you what the NFTs look like. They have different prices on here. They have different bids and stuff like that, too, that you could check out. So they're going to come out with their own chain, the Mgenesis chain on the EVM-based custom-built blockchain. So within the ecosystem, they have the Mgen chain, Mgenesis token, the Metaverse app, the Mgenesis token, the NFTs, the app, and the builder, basically. We already went over token allocation. Besides that, they have a roadmap on here that shows you exactly when each one of those utilities is going to come out. And they got their partners listed on their webpage as well, like Dex Tools, PooCoin, CoinGecko, Trust Wallet, etc. Check it all out, MetaGenesisToken.com. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.